How do you make No BATIDÃO by ZXKAI and slxughter? Hey y'all, it's Vengeance here, the newest member of the squad. Welcome back, because today we're remaking this anthem and learning exactly how ZXKAI and slxughter built it from absolute scratch. If you want to dive into the project yourself, the FLP is available at the link below. And get this, it comes bundled with our massive 16GB sample pack containing over 20,000 samples, including every single drum and sound used in this song. Do me a solid, hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell. I'm posting new tutorials and free FLPs every single day, so don't miss out. Now, let's dive into it. Step 1. The Ladrao Sample. We're starting strong by writing our main melody notes using the original Ladrao Sample in F sharp. Step 2. The layering. Let's thicken the plot. We're using that same sample to write new notes in a lower octave for that deep, haunting energy. Step 3. The Batidao Ear Candy. Time for the signature sauce. We're adding the No BATIDÁO sample to create that essential ear candy. Check the description for the download links to these specific samples. Step 4. The sub bass. Next, we're laying down a thick sub bass to act as the foundation for the beat. Step 5. The weight carrier. Here's the secret weapon, the Hardstyle Kick. This monster is going to act as both our heavy kick and our main bass. Step 6. The rhythm. Now we program the rest, layering in our kicks, perks, and effects to get that movement right. Step 7. The final touch. To wrap it all up, we're dropping in the vocals.
O sol na cara, a rua chama, eu tô na pista, ninguém me engana.
If you want to learn how to make vocals like this, check the link in the description. Yeah, it really is that simple. If you want to see the full mixing and mastering process, go ahead and grab the FLT and that massive sample pack below. Just check out how huge and useful this pack actually is.
Na madrugada tu me prometeu que escuta isso daqui, isso daqui, isso daqui. Se dormir, vai tomar dormindo, vai tomar dormindo.
Vai noviano, se intimida, vem, joga com pressão. Joga rabeta, rabeta pra lá, joga rabeta, rabeta no chão.
Ela senta por cima gostoso, na sequência do sente trepa. Ela senta por cima gostoso, na sequência do sente trepa. Sente trepa, sente trepa, sente.
Brasil! Copiou?
Vai, 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 vai.
O que, bem, puso,
faz a festa com a batida que contagia e não presta. Não presta. A tristeza pra dor de cabeça. Só alegria, amor.
Yep, you saw that right. It's absolutely massive. And because you're part of the squad, use coupon code XUPIPINK at checkout for a crazy 50% off. Want to connect with over 1,000 other producers? Come hang out in our Discord. It's the spot for free FLPs, drum kits, collabs, and famous producer contacts. Just keep it clean. If you misbehave, you're getting a one-way ticket to the Hall of Shame. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. It truly means the world to me. Now, let's hear the final results.
O sol na cara, a rua chama, eu tô na pista, ninguém